Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the fuel filter on an Opel Corsa from 1995. So after I leave the car on jack stands on both sides, on the passenger side, I can have a look over here, and there is the fuel filter. And with a plier that looks like this, I'm going to press on these clamps, the blue ones over here. And once I press, at the same time I'm going to pull the fuel line, just like so. Before I will release the other end of the fuel filter, I'm going to undo this screw over here. So now I'm gonna twist it, and it's much easier to get access to the blue clamp, like so. Now on the new one there is a flow indicator, and it means that the fuel filter will go like this. I took out the rubber from the old one, and I'm going to place it on the new filter in the middle, so it can stay in this clamp over here. And as you can see over here on this plastic clamp, there are two little indentations which will go inside the holes of the fuel line, and it will click. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And now I can tighten this bracket with a bolt. Now before I will start it, I will let the fuel pump to build some pressure. And there we go, starts and runs nice and smoothly. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.